Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with another quick tutorial. On this tutorial I'll be showing you how to prevent users to change password in Windows 10. Now technically I only have one user, so I'm actually going to show you how to create another user. So let's say if you want to create a standard user for like your kid. So right here we're going to go ahead and go to start, go to search bar, and we're going to go ahead and where it says command prompt, go ahead and right click on it and select run administrator. And you'll probably be prompted to go ahead and press yes. And this is what you're going to see. I'm going to name this user net user. And I'm going to name this kid, just an example. It can be whatever you want it to be, a kid or kids, you know what I mean, kids user if you want to create that for them. And we're going to type in slash and add. So now if we go to net user, we see that kids is created and it's showing right there. And we're going to type in net pl wiz. Now, most likely the kids, if they had options, they would have that option to recreate their password. And you would think that they would do like that, but we're actually going to prevent that options for it. So to do this, we're going to be showing you how to get to that location. So to do this, we're going to go ahead and go to start. And the other user is now created. And we're going to type in lusrmgr.msc. And this is what brings up this system. And you'll press enter. Local users and groups, and this is what you're going to see. From there, you're going to go to users, and you'll see the kids that we just created, and we're going to double tap it. And then from there, we can select to never expires, and they cannot change it. We're going to prevent this that it won't come up here at all, pretty much. And then you'll press apply and OK. That's your first options to get to that to it. Other options you can do is also go to start, and remember I was showing you earlier that we're on net pl wiz. We actually can bring this same location, and we saw kids. We actually would select tab, and we're going to go to, if I'm correctly, advanced, and then we'll go to advanced again, and it pretty much brings up to the same locations right here. I'm just showing in case you didn't have options yet. That would be your choice through there. Now if you don't want to do that route, there's another way to do this. Pretty simple. We're going to go to start, and we'll go ahead and type in cmd. And you will probably have to select where it says command prompt, right click on it and select run as administrator, then press yes. And then from there we're going to go ahead and type in net user, and we see we have a list here, and the ones that we're looking for is kids. That's one that we created. If it does have a space name, let's say it was kids 2, you know what I mean, or whatever it was, a naming scheme, you would have to put these quotations here to keep it in place for it to work. For that simple space, if not, it'll get a glitch on this text. So again, if I type in this will work also. Same thing. And we're going to go ahead and type in a slash, and we're going to type in password change and colon right there, and we're going to type in yes. So this now gives us the ability for that user. So if I go to, again, to that same location, let's type in net pl wiz, an example. Takes us to advanced and gets us to advanced user management users, and we go to kids. They do have access to change that password there, but if we do not want that to be done, we'll do the same thing, same words. I'm going to type in no. Now they are restricted, and that is pretty much all you have to do. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair. Don't forget to check out our wonderful t-shirts that we have for sale. If you want to help us out, that would be great. If not, just hit that subscribe button. That would be great enough too. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you just like this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.